Can you go to the stop recording? Stop recording.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a vlog because me and my cousin, we're going to get we're just gonna get some piercings, and she's going to get her belly pierced. I had my nose pierced before, but last time I went to get a facial, like I was getting the microdermabrasion facial. I guess like the lady sucked it out or whatever. So I'm just going to get my nose re-pierced and all of that. Just yeah, I think that's all. So we're just getting ready now. Are you excited?
Yeah. Huh?
No, should I? Why? What's wrong with my shoes? Wait, do I really need to change them?
Yeah, they're dirty.
Oh,
Real dirty.
I think I should wear mine.
Real dirty.
Shut up! I get it the first time. I think I'm gonna get.
You got it the first time, or you get it?
Jujika, shut up. You wanna correct people so bad. Do y'all have socks?
No.
I really don't ever have socks.
Or you should stop asking for something on your own.
So these are the shoes. Shut up. These are the shoes I'm going to be wearing with my little outfit. These shoes are so cute. I wore these things like 2 times. So Jujika, Walter is not he's kind of against the whole piercing thing.
Okay.
I don't have any socks.
You told me to do about that.
Pull some socks out of your butt. What? Say hi to my vlog, Samira. She's scared. Like you're disgusting. Say hi.
Ooh. Hold on. Ooh, boy, look.
I want to see some pornography. Say hi, Jujika. Say hi to my. Hi, Layla. Layla, say hi. Are you ready, Jujika? Yeah.
No. No what? Just probably.
But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit. I got this shirt from Boohoo. Where are these shorts from?
Marshalls.
These shorts are from Marshalls. Bam. And then these shoes
From
Nike.com. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I changed my outfit. Well, I just changed partial. I added a necklace. I changed my top. I don't know if you guys can see. And a new bag.
Make a U-turn, then turn left onto Carton Drive.
Are you excited, Samara?
Quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Florida 50 East.
Which one is it?
Took Hollywood. Took me.
Walter. Get to the place. Bye. So we're at the
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Good. We're here to get some piercings.
See? That's cool.
She's getting her belly pierced, and I'm getting my nose re-pierced. You look scared. She looks terrified. Don't be. You're gonna look so pretty after. Well, you already pretty, but you're gonna scare. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm such a bad camera person. Like whatever pink thing you see, that's what I was talking about. That's cute. I can't wait to come back and get my ears pierced.
I'm scared.
I mean my nose pierced. She's terrified. Do you want me to pierce my nose first?
No.
You wanna go first?
Yes.
What is it?
You're gonna cry. It's gonna be painful. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You're done. See, you're done. So cute.
Gleeful.
See? You did it.
Oh my God. Japanese, everybody don't know. All stuff from the yo. Tracks on the stove.
Hi guys, but yeah, I just came back to say a little warning. So the part that I'm getting, stop, you and this dog. Layla, stop. She looks like a football head. But anyways, what, like I was saying, if you guys are scrimmage or like cringe or whatever, the part where I'm getting my nose piercing, there's gonna be a lot of blood dripping down. So if that is going to bother you, I would advise you to just skim right through the video, so you don't get scared or whatever. Yeah, that will be all. Yeah, so you don't get triggered. So you don't get really triggered because it is a lot of blood. Like literally, it started dripping down. I think I even got some on my shirt. But anyways, yeah. Bye bye. Thanks, Leia.
You go to the stop recording. Stop recording.
Oh my gosh, I just got my nose pierced on my, and it bled so much for no reason. Look, she got her belly pierced. She don't know how to act. Did it hurt? My nose bled so much. You finally got your belly pierced, Samara. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay guys, so that was a really quick vlog. We're just going home now. I think when I get home I'm gonna eat something because I'm really hungry, and I'm gonna get started on some homework because I am taking some summer classes for my college to speed up the process. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi honey, I'm home. Yeah. So y'all, we're finally back home after we got our piercing. Oh, this lighting is so nice. I finally look so good in my vlogs. This is the only part in my vlogs that I look really good. The other parts I look really raggedy. Yeah, we're finally back home after we got our piercings. So cute. I love it. I love it. So cute. But yeah, what was I gonna say? So if you guys are interested on where I got my nose pierced, I got my nose pierced at I always go with my I always go there with my mom because she's like a tattoo addict. She's always getting tattoos. I actually got my very first tattoo over there, and I got my first piercing, my first nose piercing over there. They're very good people. They're literally so nice, so genuine, so and it's right here in Orlando, Florida. It's not too far from where I live. I'm not gonna say where I live because there's a lot of creeps on the internet, but yeah. Tell me what you think in the comment section about my video and how I can improve it or whatever. She's so stiff. Look at your belly is so cute. How do you feel?
I feel good. It's just a little pressure. So like, there's like a little blood. Do I clean it with the thing, or do I do salt water?
You don't touch it yet.
Okay.
Overall, I think he did a good job. He did such a good job. The people that actually take their time out of their day to watch my video and to leave a comment or whatever. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video so you and your pals or your friends could let me know what you guys think. Bye. Have a great and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Oh, and one last thing. Please stay safe in quarantine because we're not trying to get any more coronavirus cases, guys. So yeah. Mwah. Bye.